There we go, and obviously the test is going.
This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system to provide the most consistent warning service possible.
Okay, I find it funny how, like, literally State College issued the SVR, my radios went off.
Amador, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake.
What a weird coincidence.
Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter.
Version 2 didn't go off.
Yolo, Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NWR radio's warning device.
I think I just need to adjust the antenna.
We now return to our normal programming.
Wait, you're not recording, are you?
The forecast.
Never mind.
What the hell? Did he get another test? Yes, no, there's a test. You're doing it now.
This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm device.
There goes KRCR.
In conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warning radios or following counties.
There's KCVU.
In conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the radio's warning device. This is only a test to provide the most consistent.
There's KRVU.
These alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, for the east foothills of the northern Sacramento Valley, including Paradise to the eastern Trinity.
There's the Univision station.
Test of NWR radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. Lows 52 to 60. Prevailing southward about 60 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny.
Yeet.
Highs 73 to 85.
Hey, the version 2 finally activated.
Miles an hour, shifting to the southwest in the afternoon.
It's about time.
Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows 50 to 62. Prevailing southwest winds up to 15 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny.
Whoops.
Warmer.
Alright.
Just now realizing that Firefox is superior to Chrome.
Turn that off.
Well, I only use Safari, so I wouldn't really know.
Well, okay. Well, let me tell you this.
By the way, I'm here with these devious people. Chaos Mox, EAS Test Fan 25, Norfolk Southern Storm, Derpy Fire Alarms, and Thunder Buddy 01.
Hi! I'm got a video game from my imposter!
Hi.